Alright, today I wanted to do something a little challenging. I wanted to climb to the top of Frenchman Mountain, which is that one. And I have to climb up this steep gravel road. This is a difficult hike. It's about 4 miles, but that's not what this video is about. I was going to compare my Garmin InReach with my Fitbit and my All Trails app and the Relive app on my phone. I wanted to compare the distances to show you how accurate or inaccurate these devices are. The GPS is the most accurate. However, I forgot the dang Fitbit. So in today's video, I'm just going to compare the Garmin InReach with my Samsung Note 10 using the apps, the All Trails app. Maybe I'll try the S Health app also, and the Relive app. I want to just show you how awesome the Garmin InReach is, but how awesome these apps are as well. So let's get started on the hike. All right, let's get started on the hike. To talk about a shirt that I'm selling. I'm selling a Red Rock Canyon t-shirt that is pretty awesome. The quality is great. They are soft and they are unisex, and I have them for sale right now in my merch store, and they will only be on sale until December 7th. So make sure that you head over to the merch store, and I have a discount code for you linked in the description below. So make sure you enter the discount code for 20% off, and check it out in the merch store because it will not go on sale ever again. Well, according to All Trails, it is a 4.4 mile hike with 2,139 feet of elevation gain. And All Trails is not always accurate. It's built sort of like Wikipedia, where anybody can go in there and put in information. So we'll see how accurate All Trails is once I get the recordings from the GPS. But yeah, so here we are, just climbing away. The GPS will tell us everything too. How much elevation gain, what the elevation is at the top, which is really awesome. The waypoints, and yeah, just about all that. So pretty cool. I'm getting to enjoy getting involved with technology, especially when it has to do with fun stuff like the outdoors. So really interesting. So I just took a screenshot of the Relive app. I checked the Garmin. Actually, I'll show you right now. It says 0.3. The Relive app also says 0.3, so pretty accurate. I'm not sure if it's because this trail is actually a road. We'll see once we get further into the hike, like along the fence line of the structure up here. But the S Health app is the one that's incorrect. It says 0.42. So I just want to show you guys how accurate these GPSs are, and actually pretty impressed with the Relive app. But the GPSs are so accurate. I mean, they're the most accurate way to track a trail. And anyways, I want to stress that I really love the GPS. I've been able to communicate with Hank when I'm gone into remote places. And plus, it's just so much fun to track your activity, and track the altitude and your elevation change and stuff. I just think that is pretty incredible. And the weather tracker on this is pretty awesome. Okay, well, according to the Relive app, this is 0.4 miles, this flat area up here. According to the GPS, it's 0.33, and according to the S Health app, it's 0.51. So significant differences there. The Relive app is still pretty darn close. I am not satisfied with the S Health app. And if you don't know how those work without a GPS, is they count your steps and they use that to count mileage. So everybody's steps are different. Mine are a lot smaller than someone with longer legs. So that's why it says that I've gone further than what I have. And in the past, I've done hikes where I was certain I should have been there to the destination already because of my S Health app. And in reality, I was a mile, sometimes 2 miles off. And that can be really disappointing in a hike when, you know, you're not in that good a shape, but you're trying to accomplish something and you feel like you should be there already and you're not. It can really set your motivation back quite a bit. And that's why I decided to splurge on the GPS also, you know. So that is one thing to think about. This spot right here is a half a mile. Just coming up that steep incline I just showed you. So just a little ways up is a half a mile. And you've got about, according to All Trails, you've got about 2.2 miles to the top. So not too bad. A little over a quarter, a little under a quarter of the way there. So not too bad. Weather is incredible. Alright, so I decided to check the mileage at the start of these switchbacks for the main video for this Frenchman mountain hike. And so I checked my GPS and it says 0.8. So I checked the Relive app and it also says 0.8. Also, the All Trails app shut off and the S Health app says I've gone 1 mile. So the GPS updated. It says I've gone 1 mile and or a little over a mile. I screenshotted the screen. I don't know if you can see that, but I will screenshot the Relive app and let you know what it says. I'll put it on the screen, but I'm wondering how the GPS tracks it, if it tracks it by the actual trail or if it just goes straight up, or since this is a road, I'm not sure how it tracks it. I'm going to do more research and maybe I'll include it in this video, or I'll do an update video. Maybe I'll do another trail that's not like a switchbacky trail. Maybe I'll do like a loop in Lake Mead or something. Alright, according to my GPS, I am at the fall summit for Frenchman Mountain and it says it's 1.1 miles. I will check the Relive app. So the Relive app says it's 1.2 miles, so really they're not that far off still. I think earlier it just took a while for the GPS to update for some reason. So anyways, they are not like 0.1 miles off. So that's pretty impressive. I wonder if it's because the Relive app has service, like it's using Google. But yeah, pretty interesting. I guess I'll check the S Health app too, even though I've given up. I might as well show you how much of a difference it is. The S Health app says I'm 1.8 0.57 miles in, so I mean, not that far off, but pretty far off, I would say. The one thing the S Health app is good for is checking how many calories you burn, since it's going off of your steps. I think that that's pretty good, and if I had like my Fitbit, it would be even more accurate with that. I really wish I would have brought the Fitbit. Alright, to the start of these switchbacks is 1.8 miles. So we came up the big hill, came down, came up another big hill, and there's switchbacks similar to the first one. So it's 1.8 miles, and if all trails is correct, it's 2.1 miles to the summit. And actually, I think that's to the register box. It's probably 2 miles to the summit total. So just think about that when you're hiking. Made it to the top. Behind me is Lake Mead National Recreation Area. And then we've got Las Vegas and Henderson. Let me show you guys the view. I forgot to close out the video, but here are the results. The phone was way off, and compared to the All Trails app, the Relive app and the Garmin InReach were actually very similar. If I would have gone all the way to the register, then it would have been pretty accurate, but the register is technically not at the summit, so I didn't go all the way to the register. So I really enjoyed using the Relive app more than I thought I would, and the Garmin was pretty fun to use, but I need to learn how to use it a little bit more. I still recommend the Garmin InReach for multiple reasons, and I also recommend the Relive app because it's free and you can make these fun little videos. If you have any tips for me on how I can better use the Garmin InReach, please let me know in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed the video, please let me know, and let me know what I could have done different. Alright, I will see you in the next video.